Hello guys, I'm sure every one of us recognize this Echo that uh, normally we call it the Amazon Alexa device, which is widely known and widely used in the whole world. This is actually a voice-controlled smart speaker that uses an artificially intelligent personal named Alexa to perform a broad range of activities like commanding this if you command this Alexa to turn on and off this electric fan or this stand fan or this lampshades or this radio or this TV, which are actually plug into a power strip or into multiple outlets, and you can program this in your computer, I mean in your cell phones, so that you can make a voice command for this all this equipment or the lights. All right, let me just uh, try to ask you why I was asking this. So why my Alexa Wi-Fi single port smart light switch did not work. Actually, I was called by a customer to install his this light switch, this smart light switch in his house, which in the first place I don't have any idea yet, but I have to try it. So I was there and was figuring out why it didn't work. Let me share with you what has transpired in that house of my customer. Okay, Allegra, turn off my ceiling office light. Sorry, I cannot recognize that. Alexa, buksan mo ang ilaw sa aming office ceiling. Sorry, I cannot recognize that language. Can you shut up? Okay. Allegra, can you turn on the lampshade? It's not turned on. Okay, thank you. Actually, that is a comedy strip that I would like to share to you, because when I was there in the customer, I just had a hard time figuring out how to work this Allegra smart Wi-Fi light switch. Okay, let me just share to you what is this really. This smart this smart Echo Dot. This is actually a voice-controlled smart speaker that uses an artificially intelligent and personal name Alexa to perform a broad range of activities, like what I've said, that it can command light turn and off this electric fan, this TV, and so on and so forth. Okay, and this is quite very expensive. It's only wealthy people or wealthy family or affluent family can afford to buy. If you have the money, just go ahead, you buy it. So if you have this, this is what I was trying to explain here. We have a power strip here, and this one is connected to uh, this lampshade, and this one is connected to this is plugged into this stand fan here, and you have this plug into the TV, and you have this plug into this stereo and uh, any other appliances which is with a line, a plug with a line to line or a line to neutral power supply. You can plug in, or even you can use this multiple outlets of in your house. You can use this also this smart plug, which can also be used in your other multiphones, and then you can plug it because it is a program to command this Amazon Alexa application. So uh, you can also program this in your computer, I mean in your cell phone. All these devices here, all these appliances, and you can insert, then you can remotely command all this to activate while you are sitting and relaxing in your comfort zone area. Okay, this is actually what happened in that with my customer, uh, and I was when I was dismantling this this old wiring here, which is the line 1 and the return, and then to the load, and the line 2, then directly to the load. Then I installed it using this connection also in this switch of the smart light switch. Then I turn it on. It didn't work, and I was figuring out what is going on. So when I tried to figure out this diagram here, I discovered that this one will require a line 1 and a line 2 power supply here. As you can see, this the line 1 here goes to here and then return to here and then go to this load terminal, and on the other side is line 2 here. Okay, and the other side is this line 2 will go past through the other terminal here, but before it can go, it has to go to this terminal here on this smart switch here. So this one will require a line 1 and a line 2 here, this smart switch here. So if you cannot use this old wiring connection, that is the reason why it didn't work. So if you can see this this electrician here has pulled this line 2 here, which is not present in this junction box, only the line 1. So he has this line 1 and the line 2 already here. He traced this line 2 and pulled this in this junction box. Then I was able to find this smart light switch with the line 1 and the line 2 presence in this particular single light switch. Now you can activate this ceiling electric fan here and this chandelier here with this connection. Alright, so that is how it's going to work. So when you are called by a customer and he wants you to for those electricians here, if you are going to install this this smart light switch, you have to follow this diagram here and not this one when you pull this out. Alright, okay, so Allegra, turn the lamp off. Okay, master, your wish is my command. Thank you. End of my presentation. You are invited to subscribe and share this video. Stay safe always. Thank you.